welcome back. So in today's video I will show you how the Mappls on the simple one works. So there are some many features for this Mappls, the maps on the simple one. I will tell you in detail कि उसमें क्या क्या apps, क्या क्या features है. So stay tuned. So now I'm heading towards my shoot location. So on the way I will switch over to my GoPro and based on that I will show you कि उसमें क्या क्या features है. So let me put a location to some location, okay, some destination. हम लोग वहाँ तक जाएंगे and on the way कि कहाँ पे टर्न आता है, टर्न पे क्या होता है, everything I will show you. Now अभी हम लोग ने इस पे लोकेशन डाला है. So I'm just gonna press this which is like to start the navigation. So let's go. So I'm gonna take this road only, take a right and I'm gonna go slowly. So the maps has already taken my route and I'm going. Now we have straight road and you can see here 6.30 kilometers के बाद we have to take a right. So this is what I was talking about. Now here there are two roads. One road is the one which is going straight where all the cars are going. But if you see that Desire just took a left. So यहाँ पे V section road है. So here Mappls has this feature which tells you to take which road. So it shows me that यहाँ पे एक left जा रहा है, यहाँ पे एक right जा रहा है. So उसने मुझे दिखाया कि go straight. Okay, since my destination is straight, so I have to go in that direction. Now yeah, so now let's go. This is one of the feature which I found very useful because sometimes we don't know. Now consider a case where we have a service lane like this. Now this is the bridge construction which is going on. So based on this, sometimes we have to take a flyover, sometimes we have to take the service lane. We do get confused many a times. Even मैं बहुत बार हो चुका हूँ. So in that case Mappls has incorporated कि ये एक अच्छा feature है कि बाबा आप यहाँ पे देख लो कि कौन सा है. It shows you with an arrow also. So this is a very good feature which I definitely found. So now let's head and let's reach our destination and then I'll take over. As you saw in the GoPro clip, it shows some arrows कि आपको कौन सा road लेना है. If you have to take the straight road or the service lane, it tells you in detail. Now that was one of the good points which I liked about Mappls. Now I will tell you कि maps में और क्या क्या features है on the scooter and then I will show you what features do we have on the app which is beneficial for the scooter. So now I will show you. Now here, just a brief again. Here is your maps ka button. Just tap on it and this is how your maps looks like. Now here this is what is the traffic or the traffic which shows. Okay, there is no traffic over here, so because of which it is not showing any red or yellow lines. Now ये है आपका recenter करने वाला button. Then here it tells you where your location is, what is the temperature and what is the weather. So now currently it is a bit dark and sort of rainy. It is not yet started. Now over here it is about to rain. देखते हैं यहाँ पे where to जहाँ पे लिखा है this is where you type your destination. I'll come to that later. Now यहाँ पे we have a dedicated buttons for charging stations. Okay, fast charging station and favorites. Now charging station पे click करेंगे, it will tell me कि in my nearest vicinity कहाँ पे चार्जर है, be it the 16 amps का plug charger where I can plug my charger, okay, my portable charger, or if it is a fast charging station. Now in Goa there is no fast charging yet, but it is in process. The one which I know towards North Goa, it is in Sawantwadi, which is the fast charger of Bolt. That one is there. South Goa mein there is no. Now here whatever it is showing, right, these are all the 16 or the 3-pin socket. Now I can just click on this and it will take me to that. Now see, for example, this is around 20 kilometers from my place, from my current location. So I can just, that is like if I want to reach to a charging station, that is one good point. Agar fast charger hai, so that also it shows over here, like the filters I can apply. 3-pin socket and fast charger. If I click on 3-pin socket, it will just show me of 3-pin socket. If I click on fast, it will show me of only fast charges. Okay, now the second thing which I will show you is when I enter maps, यहाँ पे there is something called as favorites. Now in the favorite section, I have already added a location over here. Okay, now this is configurable via a mobile application. So in the mobile application, there is in the map section, there is like you can set your home, you can set your work location, and as well as some few favorite locations. So that I will show you when I'm showing the app. Now coming back here, this is how the overall layout looks. But when I tap on where to, it shows me two things which I just said, which is home and work. So I can preset my home and preset my work location, so that whenever I just tap on home or work, it will directly start the navigation towards the dedicated destinations. And here is a button which shows me the history. So here all are the history. So let's log into my Simple Connect application, and here in the maps location or the maps section, यहाँ पे हमें अपना स्कूटर का लोकेशन दिखाएगा. Fine. Here we will able to see the stations, the nearby locations, and the favorites. Now in this, right, stations, as I just said, the where I can find the Bolt charging stations, those are those, and I can just filter on available chargers or connector type as well. Coming back, यहाँ पे nearby locations. Now nearby locations can be like restaurants, pharmacies, gyms, parks. They have pre-filters. Okay, हम लोग direct select कर सकते हैं. Else I can just choose on the map. For example, I am here. Maybe I'll just choose tap over here and confirm, and that is my location. Now the best feature of maps over here is this. So it shows me कि हम कितने मिनट में पहुँचेंगे, which is 4 minutes, and it is a distance of almost 2 kilometers, and 80% battery रहेगी. Then over here, the heart button is the favorites button, which will get reflected in the scooter as well. Now over here down, which you see the send to scooter, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, as soon as I slide this location is sent to the scooter, and you can see I got a notification that location has been locked and it has been sent to my scooter. Now I will just send the location to the scooter via the app, and you just see you'll get a pop-up over here. Okay, so I have sent, see, trip details received. I can just go in the maps. Okay, and here it shows that unnamed road. I just got a location. I can click on this and automatically everything will get populated. See, it showed me everything. So this is how the maps, the send to scooter works. Now coming back to maps, third one is the favorites. Here, which I just said, favorites I can add. I can edit home or work as well, which shows in my scooter. Now whatever I told you, everything were all of the pros which I found of the Mappls. Now I will tell you few cons which I have noticed. Okay, the first con which I have noticed is I am traveling to some destination using the maps. Sometimes in between of the rides, okay, the scooter's location on the map वो थोड़ा पीछे रह जाता है. Maybe I have traveled around 100 to 200 meters, but the vehicle on the app, on the map, वो उधर ही है. So it takes some maybe 5-6 seconds to come. So वो मे बी आई एम ट्रेवलिंग स्लो 40 kmph की स्पीड, वो एकदम से झपाक करके आ जाता है. So that's like sort of a bug which I have noticed, and I would like Mappls and Simple to resolve this, because this is good. Because at times what happens, maybe we have to take a turn and we already might have crossed the turn, but scooter दिखा रहा है कि हाँ turn आगे है, आगे है, आगे है, but in reality that turn is already left behind. Another bug which I noticed कि if there is no internet, or you're in a sort of not remote but less internet area, वहाँ पे क्या होता है, sometimes the maps, it takes time to load where your location is. That does go, that bug if you restart the scooter. But at times क्या होता है कि it is not able to find the location even in places where there is internet. So I am not sure about why this happens, but if you guys know कि ये क्यों होता है, then do let me know in the comments. So these were the 2 cons which I found on the Mappls navigation on the Simple one. But if you guys have found any more or any different bugs or issues about the maps, then do let me know in the comments below. I hope it was very informative. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, make sure to like this video, and follow me on Instagram, Drive with Vedang. But till then, bye bye, see you, ride safe, drive safe. I will see you in the next one.